Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I can change into s to the power of negative number 3. Similar for this one. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n dx. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 and we will about c. Now we can apply for this one, this one, this one and this one. So we will have about s to the power of 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. Similar for the second one. Now we need to simplify. This is the end. Thank you for watching.